Hi, Doc Mountain here, but I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go live on Mia, rather on Lami. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually go live on Lami. So Lami is one of the earning apps. So before you do anything, what you need to do is when you simply watch the video, and when you're done, what you need to do is you check in the description section and you will see the link which you need to click on so that you happen to download Lami. Then I will also leave my invitation code so that as you happen to set up your account, you simply punch in the invitation code if you happen to be asked for it. So now, Lami works in this way. For you to be able to make money, you have to fall under an agency. So after you open an account, make sure that you come back here and then you drop your ID. You drop your ID in the comment section, and I will actually send you an invitation to join my agency. That's how we work. That's how we make money on Lami. So without any further ado, let's take a ride so that I show you how we go live. So here we go. I'm opening Lami. So when you open Lami, what you will see is actually what is displayed by the home tab. The home tab is the one which is in the bottom left corner. Now from the left, there is a second, which is the Moments tab. Now the third is actually the tab that you have to hit for you to go live. Tip. And here we go. You need to punch in the title of your live stream, and then you can actually click start if you wanna start. So how many seats do you want to create? If you want to create 3 seats so that there may be people who may sit, and or 7 seats. If you just want it to be a voice arrangement, you can do so. And then let's see, live title here, you simply click there. Let's click there and then punch in the title. Let's mingle. Let's mingle. Done. And then from here now you can hit start live. If you wanna beautify yourself, you simply click on that icon and then you happen to move this. Also, you see we are clearing the pimples as well as the dark spots. You can also play around with filters. You can also bring in the stickers if you want. What filter do you want here? Okay, so there we go. We got that filter. You can also bring in the fresh. And then you can also change the voice, how you want to sound. Okay, so if you click on voice, then nobody will be seeing you. They'll simply be seeing, I'll be simply hearing your voice. So let's go by 7.6. We'll create 7.6. And then I can now go live. So here, you need to be live for 1 hour. So that's how we do it, friends. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click on the invitation code. You click on the installation link and then you punch in the invitation code when you happen to set up the account.